Hey guys, Space435 here, and I'm back with another video. It's not a tutorial video again. I'm actually gonna post a video on something I've been working on for a few days now. I've been talking to my first customer, who is Oscar. Uh, he's wants to know about how to make start menus and stuff like that, so I'm gonna teach him that in a little bit. But I decided I was gonna show you guys what I'm making first. Um, so I've been working on like an RPG lately, and right now it's coming along really well. I made a map maker, and I also made the game, obviously. But actually, this is not the updated version. I have that on my flash drive. But for now, we'll do. Practically, I'm going to show you the map maker first. All these graphics were made by me, by the way. It's just temporary, also. So practically, this is the map maker so far. So it starts out like this. You have a little panel on the right side. New, open, grid. I'll explain that later. Save, stuff like that. So we're going to create a new one. We will name it YouTube map. And then these little squares pop up on the screen. And now you can click on the screen, and then whichever one is selected here will pop up onto the screen. So if I switch it, it goes to that. And then if I click fill, it fills it, obviously. But I'm going to go with a grassy type of feel for now. We'll make it a dirt road. So you practically can draw everything in. Eventually I'm going to make it so you can like drag and click like stuff like that, so you don't have to click every single one. But I haven't gotten to that yet because I haven't really, it's not too important, not necessary right now. But so we'll have that right there, and then we'll make a little house right here. Alright, this will be the floor. One, two, three. And yeah, all these graphics are made by me so far. I don't think I'm gonna get any others off the internet because it's not too hard to make graphics. But oh, and then see, I screwed up on that. So whoops, one too many. But yeah, the grid thing right here. This is what this is what's gonna look like in game. It just takes away little squares, white squares. All right, so let's finish this. I've been working on this for about a week now. No, not a week, a few days. Never mind. Um, but it's coming along really well. I'm pretty excited about it. There's the house so far. It looks pretty decent. Um, the thing that I'm working on now, right, is the NPCs. Um, they're coming along all right. I mean, I have them. I'm gonna try and make like dialogue boxes and stuff like that. But I'm still working on it. But yeah. Let me just finish this little house up. I plan on adding it. Right now, I haven't added warps in yet, so you can like warp from one map to another. But that shouldn't be too hard. Let's add that right there. So now, you don't want to be able to walk through these little, you don't want to be able to walk through the walls, so what I made was a collider thing, where you can set down colliders. Oops, can't see the grid. And a little red square will pop up around where the colliders are. Now say I put colliders over here, and I didn't want to run into them. Click delete collider. Boom, boom, gone. Whoops. And then, let me just fill these in really quick. And then what I can do after that is I'll save it practically, and it will save it to the directory that the project's in, which I have open. So this is what's going to look like. You're not going to see any of those squares or anything. So I'm going to save it. Map successfully saved as YouTube map.txt. So I go to my documents, I go to the RPG map maker, and then here's YouTube map.txt. And so now, if we take this, we copy it, and then we go to RPG game, we drop it in the maps, and then all I have to do is edit the first map that it loads. Right now, that's how it's going to work, but I'm going to change it later, obviously. 1 second. Let me just find out where it is. YouTube map.txt. Yes. Alright. So, oh, whoops. 1 second. Alright. So maps slash YouTube map. Save it. And now we run the program. And there is our little map that we made. And notice when I walk into the walls, I cannot go through them. And same one down here. And now I also add an inventory. Whoops. I also added an inventory, but right now it doesn't really implement anything. I just have basic items and stuff like that. The reason I was in the wall is because I spawned in there, and my collision just moves you out of it automatically, if you're wondering. But this is it so far. I'm going to show you the other map that I made, which is Town 1. So yeah, this is the other town that I made. It has a nice little beach and ocean over here, which you can't go into, obviously. But yeah, this is my game so far. I'm going to be working on it more. It shouldn't take too long to make things. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. I have NPCs working, but this isn't the updated version. Oh yeah, this map, I have a little blockage or opening right here. Actually, I can show you how I add stuff. So if we copy Town 1, go to RPG Map Maker and just drop it into there. Copy and replace. And then we open it. So we open Town 1. There it is. There's our thing, and there's little 3 holes that we missed. So we can just set some down right there. Save it. Copy it. And then paste it in there. And now, when we run the game, we should not be able to walk through these 3 right here. And you can't. So, yeah, that's the game, guys. I'm gonna be back with more updates when I get something else to show you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. See ya.